Once upon a time, in a land not so far away, lived a gallant young knight named Sir Los-a-Las. He got his name because when he fought battles, he always lost. One day, the king sent for Sir Los-a-Las. As Sir Los-a-Las entered the throne room, the trumpeter gave a great blast on his trumpet. "Why have you sent for me?" asked Sir Los-a-Las. The king replied, "Sir Los-a-Las, there is an emergency. Sir Wickedness has kidnapped Lady Lucy. Help! Help! We need you to rescue her." Sir Los-a-Las immediately ran to find Sir Wickedness and Lady Lucy. After Sir Los-a-Las challenged Sir Wickedness bonked Sir Los-a-Las on the head. And of course, Sir Los-a-Las lost. Boo! Boo! When he returned to the throne room, the trumpeter sounded his trumpet. The king stood up and gave him a helmet of salvation to protect him. As he went back to rescue Lady Lucy. As Sir Los-a-Las began to fight Sir Wickedness, his pants fell down. And he lost. Ooh, ooh. The king stood up. As he came back into the throne room, the trumpeter gave another great blast on his trumpet. The king gave Sir Los-a-Las a belt of truth to wear. And so Sir Los-a-Las went back to fight Sir Wickedness. While they were fighting, Sir Los-a-Las slipped and fell into the mud. Again, he lost. Ooh, ooh. In another blast from his trumpet, the trumpeter welcomed Sir Los-a-Las into the throne room. The king gave Sir Los-a-Las sandals. Sir Los-a-Las put on the sandals of the gospel of peace, and then returned to rescue Lady Lucy. Sir Wickedness was very tricky and began to tickle Sir Los-a-Las' tummy. He began to laugh so hard. The trumpet sounded as Sir Los-a-Las came back to see the king. He gave him a breastplate of righteousness to wear in battle. So again, Sir Los-a-Las returned to fight. a stick and knocked him to the ground. Yes, Sir Los Alas lost. Boo! Boo! When the trumpet sounded this time, the king hoped to see Lady Lucy, but she was not there. The king paced back and forth while Sir Los Alas explained. After explaining, Sir Los Alas received the shield of faith to protect him. This time, it seemed as though Sir Wickedness was losing. When all of a sudden, he pulled out a knife. Sir Los Alas had no weapon, so he lost again. Ooh! Ooh! The time the king bent over and picked up something very special for Sir Los Alas to use. It was the sword of the Spirit. When Sir Los Alas met up with Sir Wickedness, he stood tall with all the armor the king had given him. And now, there was nothing that Sir Wickedness could do to defeat him. So that day, Sir Los Alas fought and rescued Lady Lucy. As they returned to the castle, the trumpeter gave a great blast of victory and instruction. The king jumped up and down because he was very happy to see that Sir Los Alas had won. From Sir Los Alas' example, the entire kingdom knew from that day on that it was important to always wear the full armor of God. The end.